Hey everyone, welcome back. GEEK here. So in this video, I'm going to share the best way to optimize your internet adapter to get the lower ping and no delay. But keep in mind, these are the optimization to give you the better result and will not work if you have any issues with your internet service provider or the server location if you're doing any kind of gaming. Alright, now before starting, make sure that you create a restore point. Very simple, very easy. Click on your Windows search, type restore. Click on create a restore point. At the bottom here, you will find the create option. Click on it. Now give any name here like optimizing adapter or whatever you want to give. Then you have to click on create. And within few seconds only, the restore point will be created. Now once done, click on close, click on OK. Now in future, if anything goes wrong, if you want to revert the action, you can quickly come to this page, click on system restore, click on next. And your restore point will be displayed here. Select it, click on next. And once you click on finish, all the settings will be reverted. Now before moving with the optimization, I would also recommend you that switch to the LAN connection if you really want to enjoy your game with the lower ping and no delay. Connected with the Wi-Fi will give you the high ping, jitter and the packet loss as well. I can show you the result here that what kind of difference I'm getting once I'm connected with the Wi-Fi and once I get connected with the LAN connection. So if you're really concerned about the better internet, lower ping without any kind of packet loss, then make sure that you immediately switch to the LAN connection. Next, what you have to do, you need to click on your Windows search, type here resource. From the suggestion, you have to click on resource monitor. Here from the top menu option, you will have to click on network tab. Now this will display you all kind of application, all kind of services running here that is occupying your bandwidth. You can see that which application is occupying the maximum bandwidth. Now, many times it happens that there are certain applications or many kind of program that are running here, and even you don't need that particular time when you're doing any specific work like gaming. For example, on my end, you can see the Chrome is occupying a lot of bandwidth here, and this will be surely affecting your performance, giving you the higher ping while you're doing the gaming. So what you can do, look for such an application that you don't need at that period of time, right click on it and click on end process tree. Similarly, you can scroll down. Then I can see that there is a Wondershare Filmora. I'm not using that. Even I can right click on it and choose end process tree. Very important setting that you have to keep in mind that this is one of the important things that you have to do when you're doing any specific work like gaming or working on any good application. Now next, if you do the gaming, and if you enjoy the shooting games, then keep in mind the UDP protocol, the user data diagram protocol plays an important role. So you need to enable the fast UDP traffic sending. And this you can do through the registry editor. So click on your Windows search, type registry, click on registry editor, click on yes. So here in the registry editor, from the left hand menu option, you have to double click on HK local machine. Then you have to look for system, double click on it. In the system, you have to look for CurrentControlSet, double click on it. Then look for services, again make a double click on it. And in the services, you have to look for AFD. Here it is. And in the AFD, you will find the parameters. Now once you get it, on the right hand side, make a right click, hover up to new, choose dot 32-bit value. And this you have to rename as fast with F capital, send with S capital, datagram with D capital, threshold with T capital. Once done, make a double click on it and you have to change the value data to 64,000. Once done, you need to click on OK. And that's it. Now you can close it. Now in the next setting, we have to reduce the buffer bloat. And buffer bloat is a network performance problem caused by router or switches having the excessively large buffers loading to increase latency and jitter. especially noticeable in interactive application like online gaming and video call. Now you might be thinking that how exactly you have to measure this buffer bloat. So you can come to this website. I will leave the link in the description. Click on it. And here you can click on start test and it will let you know that what kind of buffer bloat you're getting. On my end, you can see that I'm getting the high ping here, which is really not good. And if you have the same result, then what you will have to do, there is a simple tweak that you need to apply. Click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. And again, you will be getting a command in the description. Right click here and the command will be pasted and it will say OK. And this command is really a powerful command that will be helping you to reduce the buffer bloat and give you the best performance. Now, once these all command get completed, now we are finally remaining with the final step where we have to optimize the network adapter. So for that, click on your Windows search, type a simple command ncpa.cpl. And here you have to look for your Ethernet adapter. Right click on it, click on properties. And here you just make sure that you uncheck all these options here except QoS packet scheduler and Internet Protocol version 4. The rest you can uncheck all these options. Then you have to click on configure. Then here from the top menu option, you have to click on power management. Now here by default, this option will be checked. You need to make sure that this option is being unchecked so that there should not be any kind of power optimization on the internet adapter. Once done, you have to click on advanced. Now here you have to disable all the offloading if you really have the good processor. So if you have the good CPU, powerful CPU, then make sure you select ARP offload. From the drop down, you disable it. Flow control, you have to disable it. Interrupt moderation, you have to disable it. IP version checksum offload, you have to disable it. Large send offload, you have to disable all these things. Speed and duplex, you can set to auto negotiation only. Again, TCP checksum offload, you can disable it. UDP checksum offload, again, you have to keep it to RX and TX enable. UDP checksum offload, RX and TX enable. Wake on magic packet, wake on pattern match, you have to disable it. Alright, so you are almost done. Now once you are done, click on OK, close everything, restart your computer, restart your modem, and the next time when the computer gets restarted, you will find that the ping has been reduced and the latency issue, the packet loss issues has also been resolved. And if you really find the difference, guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.